Today I'm going to show you where to find the best croissant in Paris. Now Paris has many bakeries and many options, but there are a few bakeries that make exceptional bread. So where can you find the best croissant in Paris? We are going to try 6 bakeries in total, and we're going to see which one makes the best croissants. We're going to rate them based on presentation, flavor, and consistency. So this is the first croissant we're going to try. This is from a bakery called Mamiche. As you can see, it's quite soft. Let's try it. Not crunchy at all. It feels very doughy, very soft on the inside. It's good. I was expecting something better, honestly, but it's quite good. Okay, now we're gonna try this croissant from a bakery called Petite Île Boulangerie. Huele muy rico. Wow, I really like the texture. It's crunchy, inside is dewy, it's soft. The flavor is really good. I really like this one. I think it's really good. I like the flavor, I like the texture, the presentation. I don't think it's the best one though. Okay, now we're gonna try this croissant from a bakery called Du Pain et des Idées. Look at this beautiful croissant. It's a lot smaller. Oh, it's like a baby croissant. It smells so good. This bakery, I really love the decoration inside. It's really beautiful and the bread looks amazing. I've tried the bread before and they are really, really good. So, yeah. This is a little bit crunchier than the first one I had from Mamiche. Look at those layers.
Okay, so the next spot in our list is Pierre Hermé, which is one of the best pastry chefs in France. He actually won the title as the best pastry chef in the world in 2026, and he's known as the Picasso of pastries. By the way, I made a video about the best bakeries in Paris, and Pierre Hermé is actually the first spot on this list because, believe me, his pastries are epic.
So now we're gonna try the next croissant. This croissant is from a bakery called Pierre Hermé. It's one of my favorite bakeries in Paris. They make the best macarons in the city and they make very good pastries. So if you're in town, I highly recommend it. This is the croissant. Beautiful texture, crunchy, inside is soft. It's very airy inside. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to try another croissant. This croissant is from a bakery called La Maison d'Isabelle. This bakery is located like 2 blocks away from here. So if you're in Paris and you're visiting Notre Dame, I highly recommend you check it out. It has amazing croissants, one of my favorites. I've been there like 3 times, I think. And every time I come to Paris, I go back. Here it is. Ta-da! One of the reasons why I really love this croissant was it's very, very crunchy. And this bakery, by the way, has won many awards as one of the best bakeries, best croissants, best pain au chocolat, I think. So it's definitely a very good bakery. It's so crunchy. So as you can see, inside is kind of hollow. It has a lot of layers. Another thing I like about this is that it's not very heavy, it's not very doughy. It feels very light and very, very crunchy. This is one of the best ones. So we went to a bakery called Cérdic Grolet, which is very, very famous here in Paris. Oh my God, the line was like 30-minute long. So if you want to go there, just prepare because the line is crazy. I think this is probably the most beautiful croissant so far that we tried. I'm very excited to try it. This guy is really, really famous. Wow. La verdad es que sí es de los mejores, eh? The croissant was great, but I was actually more excited to try another thing from that bakery. This is what I wanted to try from that bakery. This vanilla flour. No manches. No manches. This is epic. Wow. Now we're gonna try this croissant from French Bastards. Look at this beautiful bread. Wow, I think one of these bitches is gonna steal my croissant. Drumming. Let's try it. I love the consistency. It's very crunchy when you bite it. It has a lot more flavor. Look at those layers. Sinceramente, ese croissant está muchísimo mejor, tiene mucho más sabor, está muchísimo más rico, miren nada más por dentro.
Alright guys, so what do you think? These are my top 7 bakeries that make the best croissant in my opinion. Now I am not from Paris and I am not an expert, but I wanted to make this video. But anyways, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have many videos coming up that I'm sure you will really enjoy. I will see you guys on my next video. Take care and stay healthy.